You're in a Philip project and you're in the Bible study workshop and you have to present this coming Saturday, what do you have to do? What do you have to do? All we're asking you to do is to produce a set of questions based on that passage you've been assigned. Hopefully, you received an email from me telling you which bit of Second Timothy to look at. Concentrate just on those few verses, just on that bit from Second Timothy, and prepare a list of questions on that text. Now, there are three types of questions we're looking for. We're looking for firstly, those observation questions that help us to look at the text, to look at the Bible, to notice what's there, and to understand what Paul is saying to Timothy in that letter. Secondly, there should be some understanding questions, some questions that are just helpful to notice and to understand some important words, important themes, the big idea in that text, so that we understand what Paul is actually saying and teaching us in that section of the letter. And finally, there should be some application questions. How does this apply to me today in my life today? So hopefully you have a good balance, a good spread of those three different types of questions. About 6 or 8 questions is what we're looking for. Write them out, print them out on a piece of paper. Maybe have enough for your small group. There will be about 6 to 7 people in a small group. If you don't have a printer, just bring one copy. We'll take a photo of it and you'll use our phones. That's okay as well. But hopefully it's not too stressful. I do realize it's an investment of time, but just a word of advice, if it does get stressful, you're scratching your heads wondering, oh, what questions do I come up with? If it gets to that point, just go back to the text. Just go back to studying it for yourselves. Pray to God to help you understand what He's saying to you, applying it to your own lives before you get to the point whereby you say, how do I teach it to others? Apply it to yourselves, pray it for yourselves, understand it for yourselves before you do that bit of preparing those questions. Hopefully that's a helpful bit of advice for you. Well, again, thank you so much. If you are preparing, I really, really do appreciate it. I really, really am looking forward to seeing you and learning with you from God's Word this coming Saturday. And see you then.